HP Web Services are available on HP's line of web-connected printers. These printers connect directly to the Internet, and with HP Web Services enabled, allow you to print to your printer using HP ePrint. You can also access and print pre-formatted web content using HP print apps installed on your printer. And on certain printer models, some print apps even allow you to schedule when you want content to print automatically on your web-connected printer. And to help you manage both ePrint functions and print apps, HP provides a free HP ePrint Center website. To use web services, your printer must be connected to an active network providing Internet access. HP ePrint is a free service from HP that allows you to print to your web-connected printer from any location where you have access to email. It's as simple as sending an email to the email address assigned to your printer when you enable web services on the printer. No special drivers or software are needed. If you can send an email, you can print using ePrint. With ePrint, you can print a picture of a funny puppy you met at a coffee shop, or a document. ePrint supports most file formats, including PDF, HTML, and standard text attachments, as well as Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Once you've enabled web services on your web-connected printer and your ePrint email address has been activated, supported pictures or documents emailed to the address will be printed on your web-connected printer. To reduce the threat of a virus or phishing content, HP ePrint provides spam filtering and transforms email and attachments to a print-only format. To protect your printer further from unwanted print jobs, viruses, and spam, only provide your printer's email address to those you trust. If you set up an account on the ePrint Center website, you can also use ePrint settings to control who can send emails to your printer. When you first set up your web-connected printer, the control panel display gives you the option to enable web services. This option appears after you've connected your printer to a network that provides Internet access. When you are prompted to enable web services, touch OK. These screens may look different based on which web-connected printer you have. All of HP's web-connected printers have web services menus and ask similar questions. If you choose not to enable web services during your printer's initial setup, you can do so at any time. Depending on your printer, touch the ePrint button on the control panel display or on your device. When you enable web services, your printer connects to the HP ePrint service and prints an info sheet. This sheet contains the information you need to add your printer to your HP ePrint Center account and get the ePrint email address assigned to your printer. Once you've signed up for an account on ePrint Center, you can sign in and view your ePrint job status and manage your ePrint printer queue. You can also use ePrint settings to create a list of those you will allow to print to your printer's ePrint email address. While setting up the list, you can also enable or disable the sending of email confirmations to those on the list. In addition to ePrint management, ePrint Center also allows you to add, remove, and configure print apps for some printers. For more information on print apps, see the video Introduction to HP Print Apps. For help with ePrint, print apps, and your printer, click the Help button at the top of the ePrint Center webpage. Web services, including ePrint, print apps, and on some printers, scheduled printing, provide new options and flexibility on your HP web-connected printer. Use ePrint emails to print photos or documents from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop when at work or on the road. From your printer control panel display, use print apps to print pre-formatted content like projects, recipes, coupons, travel information, and more. And on some printers, schedule daily printing of a newspaper or weekly recipe suggestions using scheduled printing.